6.
that
the claimant is not entitled to the claims she's brought before this honorable court. And I invite my Lord with the greater respect to answer this question positively and grant all the reliefs that the claimant has asked for. My Lord, I just want to make some reference to, because I don't want to belabor this court. We have certainly put everything that we needed to see in our written address. My Lord, we have received the reply of the defendant on point of law dated the 25th of August, sorry, 25th of October 2024. My Lord would say, if my Lord take a look at the reply of point of law, that address does not qualify as a point of as a reply on point of law, but rather a re-argument of the entire. So a re-argument of the case itself. My Lord, at the stage of the reply on point of law, the rule is very clear. The defendant was to restrict itself to only issues of law raised in the claimant's address and not to re-argue the matter all over again. So, my Lord, I respectfully urge my Lord to discountenance the reply on point of law as having failed the test to qualify as a reply on point of law. So I urge my Lord to grant the claim of the claimant who has been made to suffer immense trauma on account of the action of the defendant. I'm most grateful, my Lord.
All right. No problem. Akbar, I hope you've done the calculation. Give me the date. Oh, are we going to just send them a mark, note the date, and then we'll send we'll communicate the date for judgment.
Yes, my Lord.
Eventually.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Thank you, my Lord. My Lord, there's one thing that is remaining, my Lord.
What is remaining?
What is remaining, my Lord, is to wish my Lord a very beautiful Yuletide celebration.
I wish you the same, Mr. Uye.
And I also want to see my Lord.
So I also wish all the council in the house. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my Lord.
All right, I'm grateful.
Yes, my Lord.
It's number 4, NICN/LA/293/2017 between one Annie Nwabulu and 11 others and Fidelity Bank PLC.
All right. Yes. Counsel, go ahead.
May you please, my Lord? I am A.S. Akbe.
Okay.
I appear for the claimants.
Okay.
May it please the Honorable Court. My name is Chukudi Eze. I appear for the defendant. My learned friend Ernest Ugu appears with me.
All right. Hi, Mr. Chukudi.
Morning, my Lord.
How are you?
Compliments of season, my Lord.
Same to you. Same to you. Same to you. How's the family?
We thank God, my Lord.
Okay.
It's good to be before you again.
Thank you. Thank you.
My Lord. My Lord, the matter is slated for adoption of. The matter is slated for the adoption of final addresses. However, I don't think adoption can take place today, given the circumstances of the processes by the parties. By the rules of court, the defendant has 21 days to file his final address. Then the claimant responds, then he files his reply. However, last night by 5 p.m., That was when the counsel to the defendants served me a final, in fact, the defendant's final address and a reply on point of law. It was served on me last night after nearly 5 months. The matter was adjourned for adoption of final address. So, my Lord, we are going to respond to it, and we need time.
Yes.
But my Lord, before even these applications, last statement of mine, I want to say something that I'm not happy with
You're not happy.
The counsel to the
all right.
Yesterday I spoke with, yes, with the processes filed. Yes, the claimant's final address. What I'm saying here is about 50, must not exceed 35 pages. Which is clear, shall not exceed 35 pages.
Sorry, Mr. Abe, I've not even introduced my papers. Mr. Abe, can you introduce your position? I don't know if I can.
Yes,
you can't object to my processes before I even introduce them.
Wait, I will. Okay, I will draw that. Let me speak on.
Allow me to. I can only speak to your processes. Let me speak to mine.
Yes. Now, my lord.
Yes.
I'll ask for a heavy cost, in the sense that counsel to the defendants, since the matter that was the 15th of July, the matter was adjourned for final address. There's no month that passes by without me calling the counsel, reminding him to file. Then he's working on it, he's working on it. Even till 14th of October, when the matter was slated for adoption, I came to the court did not sit, and were informed that the matter had been adjourned. I took a fairly
on which day?
Communicated to
on which day?
Defendants.
Counsel. On which day? You gave a date just recently. You said on which day?
That was on the 23rd of October.
Yes.
Of October. The matter would have been, our address would have been adopted on the 23rd of October.
Yes. Were you not aware
that the court would not sit? I was in court, and I had to. No, my lord.
The court was on leave. Anyway,
I took a fairly 2 months break.
To be on the safe side.
Yes, I'm at. So, my lord, I took 2 months. 2 months, and communicated it to the counsel to the defendant. And after that, I was still communicating with him, asking him, pleading to him to file. When I waited for him, he did not file. On the 4th of December, we filed our final address. And it was last night by 5 p.m. that I was sent even what's called again an advance copy. It was not even served by the sheriff of the court. I asked them to send it to me via WhatsApp. So the matter cannot go on today. And I believe this thing was done for the proceedings of this honorable court. I know even by the present Supreme Court rules, final addresses in 7 days. Now, at the Supreme Court, now we have 5 months.
My lord.
Address
when you say 5 months, when you say 5 months, you understand? It's preposterous. What happened to the annual vacation?
As the court pleases. Your lordship, I have not even introduced my
point. It is still there within the period.
Well, anyway, to be on the safe side, I would adjourn this matter, and then when the court is even physically in Lagos, now we're having a virtual trial. You go ahead. I order both of you to talk things over, and then on that day we'll thrash out everything. Then the court will make its own final decision on what to do.
Your lordship, as the court pleases, my lord, Mr. Abe has really gone into a long tirade, and he didn't even allow me to talk. And my lord, I want to start by thanking the court for hearing us today. The matter was adjourned to today, and the court is hearing us virtually. Your lordship, we have a pending application before the court. We filed our final written address. It was filed on the 17th of December, and we have also filed our reply in response to the claimant's final address. If my lord is kind is of the favorable disposition to hear us on the application, then my lord,
what is the application for?
Your Lordship, it is to regularize our final written address, which was filed out of time. We have paid the default fees. There is no objection to that application. And if my Lord is favorably disposed, I know my Lord can grant the application so that our final address can be proper before the court. All other issues, which my learned friend has really gone for a long extent trying to elaborate on things which at every point, Your Lordship, this is between lawyers. At every point my learned friend called me, I took the time to explain my constraints to him. And unfortunately, this morning he has come to court to make it appear as if I was